Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Tech Stockware, your one-stop YouTube channel for everything tech. Here we dissect, discuss, and dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. We're all about making tech accessible and exciting for everyone. From AI to IoT, from cybersecurity to cloud computing, we've got it all. But today, brace yourselves for some mind-blowing insights into a technology that's not just shaping our future, but is already reshaping our present. It's the technology that's causing ripples in industries across the globe, and it's set to reach a towering value of $39 billion by 2025. That's right, folks. We're talking about blockchain, the revolutionary technology that's driving the digital transformation of our world. So buckle up, because we are about to embark on an exciting journey into the blockchain universe. Stick around till the end, because you wouldn't want to miss the chance to join the blockchain revolution. Let's get started. Did you know that the blockchain technology industry is expected to reach over $39 billion by 2025? That's like stacking over $39 billion bills, which could almost reach the moon. Blockchain technology, folks, is not just a buzzword. It's an unfolding digital revolution that's transforming industries far and wide. From finance to healthcare, from supply chain management to entertainment, blockchain technology is redefining how we interact, transact, and trust. And as we speak, it's only growing in popularity and acceptance. In fact, it's projected to grow at an explosive rate over the next few years. Picture this: if you were to stack $39 billion bills, you'd have a tower so tall it could almost touch the moon. And that's the kind of astronomical value we're talking about when we speak of the blockchain industry by 2025. But what's fueling this skyrocketing growth, you ask? Well, it's the unique value proposition of blockchain, a decentralized, transparent, and secure way of recording transactions that's virtually tamper-proof. It's like having a publicly accessible ledger that everyone can see but no one can alter. It's the ultimate trust machine. And the world is catching on to it. Major corporations are investing in blockchain research and development. Governments are exploring its potential for public services. Even your favorite celebrities are getting in on the act, endorsing or launching blockchain projects. But it's not just about the big players. Blockchain is also empowering everyday people like you and me. It's enabling peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman. It's giving us control over our data. It's opening up new avenues for innovation and entrepreneurship. So, in a world where trust is a premium, blockchain is fast becoming the gold standard. And with the industry's projected growth, the future of blockchain looks brighter than ever. So, if you've ever dreamed of reaching for the moon, maybe it's time to consider blockchain. Imagine blockchain like a game of telephone, but instead of whispering in each other's ears, we're passing around a notebook that records everything. Now let's delve a little deeper into this analogy. Every player in this game of telephone is a computer in the blockchain network. Each computer or node holds a copy of this notebook or ledger that records every transaction ever made in the network. Now let's talk about the notebook. Each page in the notebook represents a block. Every block records a list of transactions, much like how you would jot down a shopping list. When a page is filled with transactions, it's added to the notebook by linking it to the previous page. This forms a chain of blocks, hence the term blockchain. But here's the kicker: unlike the classic game of telephone where the message can get distorted as it's passed along, in blockchain, every node verifies each new block against their copy of the ledger. This ensures that the information remains consistent across the network, creating a system that is both transparent and secure. This process of verification also makes blockchain a distributed system. There's no central authority that can tamper with the records. In fact, if anyone tries to change a block, it would create a ripple effect, disrupting the chain and alerting the network. Now you might be wondering, what's the point of all this? Well, blockchain technology is a game changer. It's revolutionizing industries from finance to healthcare by providing a secure, decentralized way of recording and verifying transactions. However, the immutability of blockchain is a double-edged sword. While it ensures the accuracy of records, it also means that once a transaction is added, it can't be altered or deleted. This is why it's crucial to double-check or even triple-check before you confirm a transaction. And just like in the game of telephone, once something is added to the blockchain, it can't be changed. So, remember to triple check before you hit that send button. Blockchain is like a double-edged sword. It can cut through the red tape of traditional banking, but it can also cut you if you're not careful. Picture this: a ledger, transparent and accessible to anyone, where transactions are recorded and verified by a network of computers. This is the essence of blockchain. a technology that has the potential to transform industries from finance to healthcare and beyond. Let's start with the bright side of the sword. The first major advantage of blockchain is its potential for disruption. Traditional banking systems are often hampered by bureaucracy and outdated infrastructure. Blockchain, on the other hand, offers a decentralized system where transactions can be processed faster and more efficiently. Imagine sending money across the globe in a matter of seconds, without the need for a bank or a hefty fee. Secondly, blockchain provides an unprecedented level of security. Each block of transactions is linked to the one before it, creating a chain that is incredibly difficult to tamper with. Once a block is added to the chain, it's there for good. This makes blockchain an attractive option for storing sensitive data and conducting secure transactions. But remember, our sword has two edges. On the flip side, blockchain also carries with it considerable risks. One of the main concerns is the association of blockchain with cryptocurrencies, which are known for their volatility. The value of Bitcoin, for example, can swing wildly in a matter of hours. This uncertainty can make blockchain a risky proposition for businesses and individuals alike. Moreover, while blockchain's transparency is often touted as a benefit, it can also be a drawback. The public nature of the blockchain means that everyone can view the transactions. This could potentially expose sensitive information, especially if the blockchain is used for personal or confidential transactions. Lastly, the technology is still in its infancy and faces regulatory uncertainties. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate blockchain and cryptocurrencies, leading to an environment of unpredictability and potential legal risks for those who choose to adopt the technology. So, there you have it. Like a sword, blockchain holds great power. It can cut through the complexities of traditional banking, offering a more efficient and secure alternative. But, like any powerful tool, it should be handled with caution. The risks associated with blockchain, from its volatility to its regulatory uncertainties, should not be overlooked. In conclusion, blockchain is not a magic bullet. It's a tool, with potential benefits and drawbacks. It's up to us to wield it wisely, understanding its capabilities and limitations. As we step into the future, we will see how blockchain shapes our world, for better or worse. So while the blockchain sword can help you slay the dragon of traditional finance, remember to handle it with care. Blockchain technology is like a train leaving the station. You can either get on board or get left behind. Imagine standing on the platform as the train of innovation whistles and steams away. That's what it's like to not be part of the blockchain revolution. Now let's flip the coin. Picture yourself boarding that train, finding a comfortable seat and embarking on a journey of discovery. That's the thrill of diving into the world of blockchain technology. It's a realm of endless possibilities, a land of innovation and potential. And the best part? It's not as complex as you might think. Blockchain technology is a concept that anyone can understand and explore. It's like learning a new language or picking up a new hobby. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right resources and a little bit of patience, you'll be fluent in no time. So where do you start? There are countless resources out there for the curious mind. From online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy, to informative podcasts and engaging TED Talks. There are also a plethora of books that cover the topic in great detail. Some of the most popular ones include Blockchain Revolution by Don Tapscott and Alex Tapscott, and The Age of Cryptocurrency by Paul Vigna and Michael J. Casey. It's also crucial to stay updated with the latest news in the blockchain world. Follow industry leaders on social media, subscribe to relevant newsletters and attend webinars. Engage with the blockchain community, ask questions, share your thoughts, and learn from others. Remember, blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It's about creating a more transparent, secure, and efficient world. It's about empowering individuals and transforming industries. It's about shaping the future. Don't just stand on the platform waving goodbye. Join the blockchain revolution, and don't forget to share your own blockchain experiences in the comments below. As we've been discussing, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's shaping the future. Now it's time for you to take your first steps into the world of blockchain. But where do you start? The first step is understanding the technology. Start by learning the basics. There are many online resources and courses available that can help you grasp the fundamental concepts. Next, familiarize yourself with the different applications of blockchain. Remember, it's not just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Blockchain is being used in industries like healthcare, finance, supply chain management, and more. Understand how it's being used and the problems it's solving. Once you have a solid foundation, start exploring deeper. Get involved in blockchain projects. Try out blockchain-based apps. Engage with the community. There are numerous forums and social media groups where you can ask questions, share your thoughts, and learn from others. Finally, stay updated. The world of blockchain is evolving rapidly. New developments are happening every day. Follow industry leaders on social media, subscribe to newsletters, and attend webinars and conferences. Remember, this is just the beginning of your blockchain journey. There's a whole world out there waiting for you to explore. So take that first step today. Start learning, start exploring, and start making a difference. And don't forget to share your journey in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and learnings. So, we've taken a roller coaster ride through the world of blockchain today. From its humble beginnings, blockchain has grown into a game-changing technology, poised to revolutionize numerous industries worldwide. We've delved into the fundamentals, unmasking the complex latticework of interconnected data blocks that form the backbone of this system. We also took a balanced look at the pros and cons of blockchain. While it offers transparency, decentralization, and enhanced security, it's not without its challenges. Issues like scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory uncertainties are all part of the package. But hey, no roller coaster ride is without its thrilling twists and turns, right? The importance of learning more about blockchain cannot be overstated. The knowledge you gain today could well be the key that unlocks a world of opportunities tomorrow. Remember, the blockchain roller coaster is only just beginning, so strap in and enjoy the ride. Until next time, like, comment, share, and subscribe to TechStockware YouTube channel.